set my feet on solid ground. When I lost my grip, love held on tight. Even my words didn't change your mind. My guilt and shame lost in your grace. You took me from the wayside, called me your own, tore me a lifeline, you carried me home. Jesus, you're all I want, you're all I want. Over the horizon is where I look beyond. You're the silver lining, breaking through the storm. Jesus, you're all I want, you're all I want. A runaway heart in a distant land. I wandered so far, still to find you there. There's no escaping your embrace. With my hope locked in and my future sure, my life has a cause worth fighting for. My soul exists to know your name.